Hello, it is the 23rd of October, 2012, a Tuesday, and the price target has not technically been hit yet, but it has pretty much been hit, as it was unclear when it first came down if this was going to be resistance or support. Last Friday, it was clear that it was going to be resistance. So when you see this breakdown, you're looking for short setups, and obviously, if that's the case, then should be the area where you decide to get out of some or all of that position, as it would have been that of a winning trade. And the question is, it's really a gamble. Is it going to be a winning trade slash gamble to go on the long side? After all, if it's bullish or bearish, there's a good chance that this would be the level in or around the area where it finds support. A lot of times, if you're looking for stops, then if you go just right here, you're going to get burnt so many times in comparison to doing just a decent chunk lower than that amount, especially if I'm going to play for a 61.8% gain. That's what my game plan is. So I will say up to this previous level of resistance or support in here. So 33.60 would be a good area. That's a gain of about 2. Well, if you put a stop $1 below, then the risk ratio is 2 to 1 in your favor. You win half the time, you win those wagers overall. And it's really nothing more than a casino style game. Again, if you're looking for a pullback within the long-term time frame, especially if you're looking to be buying rounds of some sort, bars, whatever, and you see this thing breaking out, okay, I'm saying here, I want to wait for it to pull back. Okay, oh, nope. Nothing yet, and here you go. This is the first pullback. The next level below that is pretty much around 30, if of course it manages to do that. Because when you get to a key Fibonacci level like this, usually what's going to happen is it's going to have some sort of bounce, more times than not. You want to see if this level is going to be support rather than or resistance. Right now, it's still going down in this time frame, so it's just there for the first original time. If it's resistance, then that's just something like this, of course. If it's not support, a lot of times you'd have that fast move. So that's why if we have tomorrow, we have a big red candle going down to 30. Oh, wait a second. You said it was a good time to buy at this stage from the sounds of it. Oh, yeah, exactly. And I also say that whenever these levels don't hold, it's oftentimes that fast move. So therefore, in 100 period or 100 times the situation comes, if it's going to bounce 65 of those times, and maybe maybe a resistance 10 of those times, you're going to get like 10, 15 of those times where it's just going to have some sort of fast move on the next session or two, or maybe 4, 5, 6 consecutive down days in a row. Something in that nature could play out if that's not the case. Again, I like the fact that this selling did come on lower volatility as well as lower volume. And we'll see how it all plays out from this point in here. And I'll talk to you later on. Bye-bye.